Good day everyone. I have traded with IQ option with my bad day. Sometimes most of your favorite strategies like Bollinger Bands, RSI, and moving average are not likely always get what you want. You need to set some trading strategy that doesn't rely on your favorite indicators. This is a Friday session. What I noticed is that the market is too aggressive. Most likely, your trading gonna lose you up. On the previous day, Thursday, I got 200 profit as a result of my trading. But now, I almost lose 500 plus on my trading balance. What a shame to me. I thought my strategy worked. But I will try to use the premium indicator from ultimatefxtools, the Binary Sñlp3r Pro. It comes with a combination of tools that predicts market changes. So our alert is AUD JPY has generated a buy alert. Let's trade into it. I also added the CCI or the Commodity Channel Index. It helps us find the resistance and support level of the market. When it goes beyond the support level, means that the trend will probably go up. Our CCI here will go uptrend. I'll add the CCI to some of the currency pairs that haven't been added, so that we can see the reversal of the market. You can also add additional trading indicators to support the strategy. This strategy works on sideways markets. I have the best time to trade by using this indicator. USD JPY, a buy signal. GBP USD, a buy signal. GBP JPY, a buy. AUD CAD, buy. Let's wait for our trade to be done. Euro GBP, a buy alert. Got our profit with one loss. Like and subscribe to this channel to get more profitable trading strategies and signals trading with IQ option. See the rest of the video on how do I trade by using this strategy.